Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio here. A little different tonight. You actually get to see my face, not just my hands. Look, there's the bench that everybody gets to see. Usually, we're playing a little FT8 on the 991 tonight, and I'm trying to keep Harold warm. But I just wanted to say I got a very interesting email or message from eBay today about a seller who is not happy with one of my Cobra 29s. Said it was junk, it didn't work. I offered him his money back, or their money back, you never know. And they said they would not ship the radio back. They only wanted their money. So that's a little suspicious, but that's eBay for you. Go ahead and check this conversation out and tell me if you think I'm right or he's right. 73, and I hope you enjoy it.
All right, so I offered this buyer a deal, and they bought it. And then today they decided they would message me, "Thanks for the non-working radio. No wonder you wanted to give me a deal." And that's when I asked the customer, "Hi there, what's wrong with the radio?" Because I need to know what's wrong with it to, process this. Then they said lights came on, no sound, no fuzz, no PA working, no nothing, really sucks. No clicking, just lights. That's when I responded, "Yes, everything is tested before it's shipped, or I wouldn't ship it. Did you try it with an external speaker? Is the squelch turned all the way?" Just trying to go through it. And that's when they respond with no sound anywhere, just a piece of trash. And I understand that. And they said, "I have many CBs and a degree in electronics. This is the thing, did nothing at all, and the mic should work. You said you tested it." And that's when I responded, "Listen, I'm trying to be patient, help you with this problem, and potentially refund your money. But if you're going to come off with an attitude, I can just not do anything about this. I have been polite this entire time, and I'm not accusing you of not knowing how to work a radio. I'm just trying to go through our return/refund policy." Typically I don't offer returns or refund money just because, things do get damaged and it happens. But I'm trying to be patient with this customer because he's clearly upset. That's when he said, "It's cool. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. You're supposed to be mad." And that's when I said, "I did check the mic. You can see in the original listing with the meter. I don't care if you have a degree in electronics. You're a customer, and I'm trying to get information about this issue you're having because I want to refund their money." A lot of time radio people do this. They want to say, "I have a degree in electronics," and things like that. But I'm just trying to help you. And he said, "It's cool. Thanks." And then I said, "Brother, things get damaged in shipping. I understand. I'm trying to get information because I can't go off what you're saying. If I did, everyone would say their stuff didn't work, and all I'm trying to do is get some information from you." And he was just letting me know that he's not a dummy and he's just a bad speller. And then once I started talking about a refund, he said, "What would you like to know?" And that's when I responded politely with, "I understand the spelling. I'm not accusing you of being a dummy at all. We just have policies that we don't typically accept returns. But exceptions are made. You started acting very rude and smart aleck, and I'm trying to help you. I will send you a return label. You can leave a review as a buyer, but just letting you know that sellers can also leave reviews." Just because he was being very rude and, just a jerk about this. And then he said, "Turned on the lights, came on, meter never moved, no switches, no sound, scratching, nothing worked. I have a nice antenna and good battery hooked up in the truck." And that's when I said, "All right, thank you. I will try to get your refund information tonight." And then he said, "I don't play the send back game. If you want to give me a refund, cool. If not, you got a bad review. I would just throw away. Like I said, it's expensive trash now." Like, dude, I am sorry that this happened to you. Following this, I said, "Man, I'm going to give you your money back, and I'm going to pay for the shipping label. All you have to do is put it in the box and print the label." He said, "I don't waste my time repackaging and printing and driving to the store. It don't work. I said my piece. Happy holidays. Enjoy the review and your money. I have Christmas lights," or he was talking about picking and shooting it or something. And then I said, "All right, then that's your choice. Take care." So I really don't know what to do anymore. I did what I could to help this person out. I did leave them a review saying that they were very rude. I tried helping them, but all they wanted was their return. This is eBay. What can I say?